today,
well, we're going to introduce ourselves first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember, we always do that.
Yeah.
My name's Kenya.
And my name's Alexa. I don't want any bullying. Just say, that's all I want.
Okay. So, in today's video, we're gonna make slime. We got our bowl, glue, shaving cream, and activator.
Conservators.
Yeah.
We were gonna get color, but we can't find the paint for some reason.
So we're just gonna make it plain white.
Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so now,
we forgot we got our spoons.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna start.
Let's get started.
Yeah. We're gonna start by putting our Elmer's glue in here.
I'm gonna take out my spoon first.
Yeah, that's easy.
Okay, mine's pretty good. Good, nice. Oh my gosh, lots of glue.
The way it sounds!
Smells like poo.
Okay, you just need to go, sir.
I'm sorry. Mine has barely any.
Oh, get in there.
Get in there. Oh, there's still some.
Wait, Kenya.
What?
Don't we need baking soda to help the activator form it? We'll get that later. But okay, we're gonna have to go ask her mom.
I'm gonna put this one because it's a mess.
No. Okay, y'all. She's just shy because it's our first video.
Yeah, because we don't have baking soda. We forgot.
Yeah. So next we would add shaving cream.
Ah, my hands are full.
I'm gonna add shaving cream to make it fluffy.
We're making. Oh.
We're running out, y'all.
I can hear the foaming. Give me that.
Try to squirt it yourself. Okay, no more before you mess it up.
Let's just mix it up.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it up.
So foamy.
That sounded disturbing.
But
yeah,
it was pretty annoying.
Disturbing. So, yeah, we're gonna be back because we need to go get baking soda. So we didn't buy it. So
you need more shaving cream. Give me. Okay, that's just bubbles.
So we're going to have to go and buy some.
But first, do we have to put the activator?
No, we need the baking soda. So we are going to go
back.
And
we're gonna pause it. We came back from the store.
Oh my god.
We were running as fast as we can, and here we got the baking soda.
Yeah, we live right by a store.
Called the Gateway store.
And they sell like
baking soda. I know that.
Wait, let me open. Let me open before you create a mess.
Okay.
We're supposed to open it from here.
I don't know. I'm done.
So we're gonna have to. So, yeah. Try adding more glue. I'm gonna try opening this.
How about if we add baking soda?
No, but let me open it.
It's
still not opened. This is gonna be a while, so we're gonna do a time lapse. So yeah.
Okay,
y'all,
we're back.
We opened it. So now we're gonna add a little bit for now. Can't add too much. So mix it.
That's how it formed.
Oh, this is good. I think this is the order I remember because it's been a long time since we made slime. So now we're about to add some.
It looks like it's melting.
Contaminant solution. Let's save it.
Let me add mine. Don't add too much.
It's fine.
Okay.
If not, we're gonna have to use detergent. This is forming, huh?
Mine's not.
Mine is. We just gotta add a little bit, like that. See, like, a little bit. Let me open it.
I know. It's forming though. A little bit.
Let's see. Here, add a little bit more. Is it forming now?
Yeah. Okay, stop. We're gonna waste the whole thing. Mine's forming.
It's only one bottle, Kenya. So.
It's forming.
Yo, this is forming. A success. This is amazing, y'all. We never made real slime without making a big mess.
We made it one time. It was a disaster.
Do not touch it yet.
Yeah. We have to
You gotta wait. It's gonna make a mess. Oh, yours is actually forming. That's nice.
Look at that. It's getting really sticky.
It's not as sticky, so let's add a little bit more.
Why?
Let's add a little bit more to fix it.
Ah, you're getting on my hand.
I'm sorry, this is how it's supposed to squeeze. So now,
Alexa, mine's gonna be so sticky.
okay, That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh my god, my legs.
Oh, but it's safe. Yeah, this is how it's safe. So now, y'all, we're gonna have to get in there. Our hands are gonna be messy, but it's worth it. Kayla, come on.
Wait.
That's why I had contact lens solution just in case. Y'all, this is actually a success. Is it a success for you?
No, not for me.
No, you gotta make it. You gotta fold it well. Y'all, we're gonna pause the video
And go on time lapse.
Need it. Yeah, we're just gonna need it. So, yeah. Y'all, so it was a success. Luckily, for some reason, my kneading skills had helped her with
the bubbles.
So wait, I have an idea.
What?
I think this mom's gonna be mad with us, but I don't care. We should use her lipstick as color.
No.
You know how they do those challenges
Yeah.
with lip gloss and all?
No, I'm not doing it.
I wanna try. So y'all, Mama, if you see this, please do not get mad at me. I'm gonna use the old lipstick, I promise. So bye.
Hey guys, my sister is over there. The slime was a success. She's gonna go get some lipstick so we can add color like those people do with the challenges. My slime's getting really good now. And mine's really big. As you can hear the crunchiness. My sister's is right here. Really good. Sticky. Hers is hard to stretch. It's good, like really stuff. And then take this. Not much, but it is good. Mine's right here, guys. Mine's stretchy. I'll see you guys. We wanted to make ours soft, so we decided to put lotion. This is honey pearl lotion.
I was gonna
and
use
body
my mom's lipstick. My mom found out, and yeah, we're not using it.
But we're gonna find color. When we find color soon, we're gonna use it.
Yeah, so if we do, we're just gonna record probably late at night and just add the colors and show y'all it.
And this is gonna add the. I have honey pearl hand and body cream,
and I have Love and Beauty and Planet.
And this is from a Chinese nail spa.
This is just.
They gave this for us.
This is like at a beauty store. Hers was like at a spa.
Yeah.
A Chinese spa.
A Chinese spa gave us.
And I'm adding this to. This is gonna make. Oh, this is soft. Oh, I don't want to get dirty. Please don't get dirty.
Oh my god, it feels so nice now.
Oh, y'all. So we're gonna have to knead this. So we're gonna do a time lapse again. So yeah, we'll be back.
Which we got markers.
We decided it was color, not paint.
Yeah. We never knew. It was like in our color box.
And we were so stupid.
I know. We were like dumb. So I would pick like a yellow.
I'm doing purple. She's doing yellow. So we're going to do a time lapse because the last time I did
Which one's mine? This one's yours?
This one's mine because this is from here.
That's weird. That's mine.
Oh, whatever. Do whatever. So, we are going to do a time lapse again. So you won't be hearing first for a while because whenever we dip it a bit, it takes a long time for it to get into like the slime. So we're gonna do a time lapse again. So, bye bye.
Okay, guys. So
it took a while.
Yeah, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe because we have no subscribers right now.
So, and I hope you like this video. Did you say that? Please
give it a big thumbs up and click that like bell. The bell.
Subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.